I'm here to challenge you to find a cheaper cell phone than this. Can you do it? $99. That's what this phone costs. What's the service? It's free. It's free. Now you say, what's the catch? There is no catch. This phone will text anywhere with Wi-Fi or without. This phone will work as long as you have Wi-Fi. That's the catch. I'm sorry, there was a catch. If you have Wi-Fi, this phone will work with data, it'll work with texting, and it'll work with the phone. Hello? If you don't have Wi-Fi, it'll just text. So this is a perfect texting phone for your first-time kids with the phone. If you want just a texting phone, this is it. If you want a home phone that has Wi-Fi in your home, this is it, because then you can make calls, then you can use the texting, and you can look up stuff on the internet. As long as you have Wi-Fi, this puppy works. So this is the best phone that you can get. It's the Motorola Photon Q. It's not a great phone. I mean, it's not like the top of the line i17s, but it'll get the job done. It's a great first phone, and I love it. And it works. I'll even show you that it works. Okay, the phone on the left is my current phone. The phone on the right is my Scratch Wireless, which is also my current phone that I use for my house. So, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to text. And I'm going to go here. I'm going to just put something in there saying test. If I could spell test, that would be great. It doesn't matter what I spell. I can spell anything. Blah, 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 blah. And push send. What's it going to do? Right there. There's the message. So, it works. It works as a text. I'm running right through the cell right now. I'm not going through wireless. So, push send. And it works. So, you know, right now, that it works. And it's free. So it's free and it works. What more do you want? I challenge anybody on the internet. Find a cheaper plan than that. Bye. Bye. Bye.